Hey, I'm Connie Hubbard, and I posted some pictures of my Moebius scarves the other day, and a friend of mine asked the question, what is it? And so I thought I'd make a little video to demonstrate how to use a Moebius scarf. First of all, what is a Moebius? Moebius loop is a special kind of loop that has no outside and no inside. It's named after August Ferdinand Moebius, who lived in the 1800s, mathematician and astronomer. So I knit these scarves, take my glasses off, and because they have this half twist in them, they drape very nicely around your neck. So you can wear them longer like this or closer to your neck, like this. Moebius can be pulled over your ears like a hood for that quick trip from the car to the store when it's cold outside and you don't have a hood or a scarf to wrap around your neck. You've got this, keep you warm. Moebius can also be worn as a headband with the twist on the front or in the back, and it also can be worn as a hat. And if you have, long hair, you can use it as a messy bun hat. I don't have enough hair for that, but you get the idea. The Moebius is knit with the twist in it. I'll show you my Moebius on the knitting needles. It's really fun, and I enjoy creating all the different patterns. I have one here with browns and greens, earthy colors. A Christmas one, 'tis the season. More black and white and lovely shades of gray and pink. And these more narrow ones make great headbands too. I can make them wide, so it's more like a hoodie scarf, or more narrow, just a little headband. So you get the idea. That's what a Moebius scarf is. Have a happy day.